everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Now it's February and it's time for another kit. And this month Daisy is our hostess and she came up with kind of a two-part element to the inspiration. And the first thing has to do with these words. Now, if you look down here, you see it spells out Valentine. So she took a product that goes with each one of the letters, and I was going to show you what I have that I'm going to use kind of like generically, because I actually ended up making some page kits, which is not something I normally do, but I wanted to use the whole word Valentine in each one of my pages, and the only way I could do that truly was to make a page kit. But I wanted to have kind of this stuff that I have out here to be a free-for-all, I guess. So the V is for veneer, and so the wood veneer, and so that would be this. This is the turn the page wood veneer. I've had several packages of this, and I don't even think I even opened this one yet. So that is going to go with all the kits that I have. And then A is for alpha, and for the flat alpha, and that I have with each one of my page kits. L is for little word stickers or phrases, so that's why I have these two out. Now these were left over from last month. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get more of those used up. I'm okay if I use more of the stickers and stuff as well. It'd be nice to get this used up. And then E is for envelope, tags, or library pockets. Those I have with each one of my page kits. N is for neutral, which are part of the page kit, as well. Here for thickers. This is what I got out for thickers. So it is, what is it? Word Icon Assorted. I think this is Amy Tangerine. Yep. Oh yeah. Looky there. Today. And I'm thinking that I will be able to use this in each one of my pages. I'm pretty sure I have some things picked out. I think it's going to work. And then I is for ink. You know what? I haven't pulled out any ink, even though I do have some. And I should probably go get that before I actually start creating the page, because more than likely I will use the Shimmers products that I have, or I may use the distress inks that I like to use. N is for Nuvo drops or enamel dots, and you know that I'm not going to use the enamel dots. And I know, are you guys shocked? I do have two of the Nuvo. I don't like it very much. I know that there are some that just absolutely rave over it, but yeah, so this one is called Ebony Black, and this one is just called White. I'm sorry, my computer is noisy. And then E is for ephemera, and the ephemera is, I think I'm going to use what I have here. Now this is, I would consider this ephemera. This is a die that I have. This is one of my favorite dies, and I broke it last year. I don't know how that happened, but I broke it before. Nope, you can tell I broke that off. It was kind of crazy. But I can use that at least on one of the pages. So I'm going to use this as an ephemera. You know what? And the thing about that die, the die was $20, and I was shocked that I broke it. When I've shown it before, when I had used it before, but I probably won't get it out this time around. Also for ephemera, I have flowers. I bought some, these are some Tim Holtz flowers. I got this on Amazon. And so this is so full of different kinds of flowers. And so, as you can tell, this container says flowers on it. So everything in here has to do with flowers or petals. So I intend to use that as my ephemera. And because it's Valentine's Day, I have hearts. So there is some wood veneer hearts. I hope I don't have to dig those out, but I thought I would just work with the hearts and work with the flowers. This is getting so full that I am going to need to get a bigger container to hold the hearts. So I love these. These are acrylic hearts. I got this from Close to My Heart, and I haven't even used one yet, but I do like them. All right, so let's look at the page kits that I created. All right, so the first one, let me show you. So what she did, if you'll look on the Mini Kit Monday Facebook challenge group, you'll see this here. You'll be able to see the Valentine, and you'll get to see 3 or even 4. I think maybe she has 4 sketches. So this is the first one that she has. And so this is what I pulled for this sketch. Here is the flat alpha. Here's the envelope. And then the neutral. So the neutral, I have wait, this is the second one. Okay. I have, let's see. I guess that's it. Thought I had another piece of cardstock. I probably do. Probably got them a little mixed up. So that for sure is the first one. So this was a neutral because it's kind of a gray. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's got a little color on the background. And then this is the second one, and this is the beautiful sketch. Now this sketch is from Page Maps. This other sketch, Inspired Blueprints, is that one. So this is the next one. I do have the wood green. I have the neutral, which is this beautiful gray. I pulled out this blue. I have this color of the flat alpha. The library cards, I was going to make the pocket with this, even though this has paw prints on it. I think once I made the pocket, you're not going to be able to tell that because it's not, shockingly, it's not going to have anything to do with the dog. Okay, then this is the last one. This one has a lot more to it. I probably should do this one first. So this one is a little, I guess busier. It's by Sketchabilities, and it has lots of ink that you can see. It has, see this right here? That is the die that I had, that I broke, and then hearts, and then I do have photos selected for each one of these pages. Here is the flat alpha and the envelope, and then the neutral. Okay, those were the 3 things that I had. So here's a couple neutrals. I know this is a little blinding, this polka dot. This is also a neutral, and then here is lots of color. So because this has so many different layers, I wanted to incorporate this pop of color. And then I have some 6x6 papers as well. This is actually cardstock. And then these 2 are 6x6 pad. All right, so that is it. We do have 2 guests this month. We've got guests for the first several months of the year. This month, Becky Back is going to be one of our guests, as well as Kristen Burkhart Carlson. I will have links to their YouTube channels below, and make sure you stop by and visit their channel. If you enjoy what they have, make sure that you subscribe to them, and always leave kind comments. You know what? I haven't had any negative comments, I don't think, ever. I really appreciate that. I think this is a really sweet group of people. Scrapbookers are generally kind. Every now and again, you know, I've heard they get a little testy. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what my kit is. So this is the February 2020 kit. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.